Hello, today we're gonna do a red cabbage experiment. And right now, I just cut the red cabbage into pieces and it is boiling. As we can see, it is boiling, and if we do like that, we can get the color. If the liquid of the red cabbage is hotter, the reaction is faster. Instead, if it's colder, then it will take more time for the reaction to happen. Material we will need. We will need 6 cups, a chopped table and a knife to cut the oranges and the lemon. As we can see, I already cut them. We will need Coca-Cola zero, it has to be zero. White vinegar, black vinegar, like normal vinegar, royal baking powder, oven cleaner. This is all we need. Next step, we get a bottle of water and our cups, and we add like 1/4 of the cup of water in each cup. Second step, let's start with white vinegar. We have to add some white vinegar in the cup. And then we put some red cabbage. And let's see what color it turns. But first, white vinegar has 7% acetic acid, which is higher level than other vinegars. Other vinegars like balsamic and red wine vinegar have about 6%, and mild rice wine vinegar is around 4.5%. So this means that this is the highest acid vinegar of all. If we mix white vinegar with red cabbage liquid, it will turn as we see, it will turn red. This is the red color, very dark red color. The red cabbage liquid changed when it was with white vinegar. First we add like the whole half of the lemon in one of the cups. Okay. My explanation about lemon. Lemon juice contains an acid called organic acid. Lemons contain a lot of citric acid, and that makes their pH very acidic. Its pH is around 2 and 3. In the scale, it's about 10,000 times more acidic than water. This is our pH scale, and lemon juice, as we can see, is there. If you cook red cabbage in hot water and then you put some lemon juice with the water and then you add the cabbage liquid, it will turn. If we get the red cabbage liquid and we put it with the lemon, as we see, it turns up pink. This is our pink lemon juice with cabbage end up solution, and this is how it will turn. Normal vinegar like black vinegar. In our third step, we have to put some vinegar in the water. And then we add some red cabbage, but before adding it, vinegar. Vinegar is a solution of acetic acid and has a pH around 2.5. It contains about 5 to 10% of acetic acid. Vinegar is considered a type of weak acid. Although it has an extremely low pH value, the acetic acid doesn't completely dissociate in water. If we mix red cabbage solution with vinegar, it will turn red. because acids turn red when they are mixed with red cabbage juice. But like red or pink, not always red, red, red. So let's try adding. So, as we can see, it turned really dark red, okay? This is the color the vinegar changed. It's like a wine color. It looks black, but then it's like a wine color, okay? Coca-Cola Zero. Fourth step, we add the Coke in with the water. Coca-Cola Zero. So, carbon dioxide present in the Coca-Cola Zero reacts with water from carbonic acid. And it forms acid, so it's definite that Coca-Cola is acidic. Coca-Cola has a pH of 3.18. Interesting facts that won't make you happy. Number 1. Human body is not designed to be acidic. It is meant to be alkaline. Acidic condition inside the body is one of the primary reasons why cancer develops. Coke or Coca-Cola is extremely acid. How much acidic is Coke? When measured on a pH scale, Coke beats an acid battery just by 1 point. Number 2, because of its extreme acidity, Coca-Cola can be easily used to clean surfaces. How clean does it make a surface? The cleanliness it can provide, it's a pair with a provided by our much known toxic houseland. So basically, we're end up drinking a toxic substance. Now let's so if we mix it with some of this red cabbage liquid, it will turn purple. It turned purple. This is the color the Coca-Cola turned, like purple, but a bit more like pinkish purple. So this is an acid. Royal baking powder. In our fifth step, we're gonna add some royal baking powder. We have to get a spoon. We have to get a spoon and mix. See? It will turn like this white color. Now, baking powder is the name given to mix a bicarbonate of soda, alkaline, and cream of tartar, acidic. In fact, bicarbonate also alone can't act as a leaving agent unless it is presence of acid. It does not have a pH because by the time you dissolve baking powder in water, there was no baking powder left. So it is also a water solution. If we mix baking powder with red cabbage solution, it will turn soft purple, very soft purple. This is the color the baking powder ended, like purple. Oven cleaner. In our sixth step, we're gonna add some oven cleaner in the water. And we're gonna mix it with some red cabbage. Oven cleaner is an alkali because most of the cleaning instruments that we use, or most of the cleaning sprays, are mostly alkalis because their pH is higher than 7. And in our pH scale, oven cleaner is in the number 14. So and it turned green. As we can see, it turned green. So this means it's an alkali, you see, and it's there, oven cleaner, in number 14 of the alkalis. To make the video again more fun, I'm gonna add a bit of limpia cristales, which we'll see now. So we add some. In the water. And let's see what color does it turn. So it turns blue. As we can see, it turned blue color. And now I'm gonna make a pH scale. And this is my pH scale.